If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or trying to conceive, is it safe to get the COVID-19 vaccine? It's a question I took to the experts.
We are more concerned, we lose more sleep about our pregnant patients having COVID than we are about them being vaccinated.
Dr. Dion Mills is an obstetrics and gynecology specialist who was working to educate women about the COVID-19 vaccine.
Our stance is that COVID-19 is devastating for pregnancies, devastating for pregnant women.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, pregnant people are at an increased risk for severe illness from COVID-19 when compared to non-pregnant people. The CDC says any of the currently authorized COVID-19 vaccines, which are Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson, can be offered to people who are pregnant or breastfeeding.
A lot of my pregnant colleagues have gotten vaccinated and happy to do so.
Based on how the vaccines work in the body, experts believe they are unlikely to pose a specific risk for people who are pregnant. However, there is currently limited data on the safety of COVID-19 vaccines in pregnant people.
We have a problem with including women in studies for pretty much anything, much less pregnant women in study.
Still, Mills says she is confident in the data that does exist.
So right now we have actually a lot of information post the release of the vaccine about thousands of pregnant people who've been vaccinated, as well as breast lactating people who've been vaccinated, and we've seen a good safety profile.
She wants her message to be clear.
I would encourage anybody who's hearing this, who's trying to conceive or who's already pregnant or who's breastfeeding, please get first in line, run down, get the vaccine right away. You will help your obstetrician sleep a lot better at night.
And this guidance from Dr. Mills comes as we just learned about a really interesting medical case out of Florida. Doctors there say a pregnant healthcare worker received the coronavirus vaccine. The mom has now passed those antibodies to her newborn. Doctors say